Your job isn't a plan for the future. What if I told you your job isn't your biggest financial risk? Your plan for retirement is. We grew up being told to study hard, work for a big company, and retire on a pension. That model is broken. At the age of 50, we faced retrenchment, no job offers, and the secure retirement plan completely crushed. Thankfully, we found a powerful income system, legal, low risk, and it pays monthly. No selling, no stock, just sharing information. If you are worried about the future or feel stuck, comment freedom and I'll send you the same info that changed our lives. Now, my name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm from Van der Bijl Park and I help entrepreneurs, business owners and professionals to create recurring income without selling a thing so that you can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on your bucket list. If you are in the market to earn an extra income, contact me. My number is in the bio. Bye for now.